Guys, we're gonna try to do this next video in 5 minutes. This is that HP Thin client install. Continue from the first one. Here we download the image using the HP Thin update product tool. Works really good, and let's see what it looks like when we power up a unit. So USB stick is in the back. Power the unit up. Unit's gonna power up, and all we're doing is rebuilding the operating system on the unit because the old operating system has become corrupt. So it's going to boot to that USB stick as long as it's in the proper order. Make sure that you put it in the proper order. So basically it's first boot device, that's in the BIOS. If you're lost, then you should just turn this video off. If you don't understand what BIOS is, or first bootable device, then yeah, you probably should look into other areas. So this is it just loading up. Okay, I don't know why it's not focusing, but you're now gonna use number 1, image 1. Oops, I gotta use the right keyboard. Too many keyboards. 1, invalid. 1, oh, press any key to return the main menu. 1, try that again. Enter. It says, oh, who's honking that horn? Oh. Anyways. So back to this, it says which image do you want to load on the machine. Well, I'm just going to be loading the thinpro client because I want to use these just as remote desktop machines. So I'm going to use number 1. It's that GZ thing. GZ 1, very easy. Hit enter when you know what you're doing. Default message saying basically it's going to overwrite the drive that's on there. Yeah, we know that, and we're gonna hit yes and do its thing. And here it goes. Let's see if it'll take. My goals are, if I'm gonna do some tech videos like this, I want to be under 5 minutes because I find tech videos extremely boring, and if you're not under 5 minutes, I usually will turn you off and go look somewhere else. So now the OS is with this nice thin client version of Linux, I think is basically what it is. It loads nice. I mean, you look right here, and that Windows operating system is at 41%, like rebuilt, and it just rebuilds it to a flash drive in the unit over there. Exciting. Computer stuff is so boring. At 46%. Come on. This video is at 3 minutes and 34 seconds, so I don't know if we want to watch this. I can't make this go any faster, but since it is moving along pretty good, we'll keep it going. What else is there to talk about? Not much. I usually do snowmobile videos, dirt biking, outdoor stuff, but I find these tech videos of mine, because I do this as an occupation, so I find that tech videos, the few tech videos I do very well, and they seem to take off really good. So maybe we'll wait. I'm going to stop the video, we'll start another one, but after it's done. So, alright guys, we'll talk soon. Thanks.